Hi, Akshat here, and in the next few minutes please listen to me carefully. So would you like tap into red hot $12.1 billion industry right now? And create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique. If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting MazeMaker. Instant access of world's first amazing one-click puzzle and maze creator cloud-based platform along with millions of pro. See you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If making money online is your intention on my channel, I review products and training courses, including anything that basically going to help you make money online. Today I have another amazing product review for you, and this product is called MazeMaker. MazeMaker is going live on the 17th of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. I mean, that should be 4 p.m. GMT and of course 5 p.m. Central European Time. And this product is being launched by two super affiliates, Akshat Gupta and my great friend Jaideep. These two guys are bringing up this MazeMaker product, which is in a nutshell going to help you actually create puzzle books that you can sell on Amazon Kindle. And of course, they say it is the world's first one-click puzzle and maze book creator cloud-based platform, along with millions of inbuilt puzzles, maze, riddles, and of course with PLR licenses. And of course, you can sell unlimited puzzles, mazes on Amazon Kindle or directly to your clients with unlimited commercial license. If this is a product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine where we are currently, and you can grab a copy with this link or any of the other links, of course, scattered all over this page. They are orange in color, and when you click any of them, they are going to take you straight to the very sales page where you will find other orange clickable links like this one, which is going to actually take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you are going to be made by Warrior Plus to purchase this product. When you do purchase this product, I believe under your purchase history, you are going to find a page like this very one, which is going to show you two buttons. This green one gives you access to MazeMaker, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you if you stick with me in a very short time. These are the bonuses, but I'm going to show it in details as soon as I am through with some of the first things that we're supposed to do with this one. Now, with that said, I will also show you the very bonus area, members area, sorry, of this product, the software itself, where you create this amazing mazes, puzzles and riddles and all the mazes you can think of in this world. And now, to actually highlight this very capability, this is what you have on Amazon, which is exactly Amazon Kindle, where you are going to be able to sell these books. Here are the cost of the books you have there on maze, puzzles and riddles, and you can see as much as $19, you can see $780, and you can see so many prices that you can sell these books. And then of course this will be multiplied by all the quantity of people who are capable of buying these books from you. You know, you can sell with licenses to other people, and you make money online on Amazon Kindle or directly with your clients. So this is why this product, I believe, is a good one. Now let us see in details what this product is all about. You know exactly what it does. It is going to help you create puzzles, mazes, and of course riddles that you can sell on Amazon Kindle. I have one of my books on Amazon Kindle called The Nature of Satan, and you can always get that at your convenience. But I know what it means to have books on the Amazon. Imagine when you do so, because riddles, mazes, and of course puzzles are things people use to while away their time when they are, because it gives you the ability to even think. Okay, so that's why I love this very one, and it gives you that capability to produce books that can sell forever and ever. Okay, now one of the benefits I believe is that it's professional, fully cloud-based platform and of course software for that matter, and make easy money by selling puzzle books on Amazon and Shopify, and of course user-friendly puzzle and maze book creator software, millions of pre-made puzzles, mazes, riddles, and of course all of them with PLI license, and 60 seconds puzzle and maze creation, millions of other pre-made puzzles like Cipher, word scramble, riddles, etc., and multiple niche pre-made puzzles and mazes. And of course you can sell unlimited puzzles and other books on Amazon KDP. So that's basically what this product is all about. And now let us take a look at the price sketch. Let us see if we can go more into details with this pricing. And of course you see, just one moment, let me close my window. I think the noise is filtering in, and of course forgive me for that. Now the front end for this product goes for $17, and this one gives you access to the professional and fully cloud-based platform, user-friendly puzzles and maze book creator software, millions of pre-made puzzles and mazes with PLI license, and of course you have 60-second puzzle and maze creation and everything you have on this front end. And of course the OTO number 1 will be the unlimited reseller license for MazeMaker Pro, and it goes for $37. And with this you will have pro features, extra templates, unlimited reseller licenses, and of course you remove all restrictions and go unlimited, no watermarks whatsoever. OTO number 2 will be MazeMaker Gold. It goes for $37 as well. With this you have professional and fully cloud-based platform, of course, user-friendly ebook creator software, 100+ high quality ready to use templates. Of course you have 100+ super high quality pre-made layouts and ebooks covers, and of course millions of pre-made ebooks with PLI license, and millions articles with PLI licenses. And of course you have multiple niche pre-made videos, commercial license included, no limitations, completely free, and sell unlimited ebooks and earn like the big boys. This is what these guys are saying. OTO number 3 will be the MazeMaker Diamond. It goes for $37 as well. I recommend the unlimited pro version of this, which is exactly this, which goes also for $37. If you buy the front end, it may be a good thing to buy that one too. And this is the Diamond Edition, which is OTO number 3. MazeMaker Agency is OTO number 4, and it goes for $47. And you have your personal admin panel, add unlimited users, and sell ebook maker at any price and limitless earning, of course. MazeMaker Done For You Edition goes for $67. You have 60 done for you products to sell with all reseller licenses. And of course you have MazeMaker White Label Edition, which is OTO number 6. It goes for $97, and with this you have the ability to rebrand MazeMaker and sell it as if it's your own, and then add your own logo and brand name, and that's exactly what you have there. So it's amazing to know that you can do that, and these are the benefits you have with this one. Now let us take a look at the very bonuses that I have for you. By the way, this has about 60-day money back guarantee, and of course you can always get MazeMaker now and get all the bonuses that I'm going to show you right away. My first bonus for this one will be a premium bonus, super premium bonus, and it's called the Product Vault, which has 17 amazing product software and training courses, info products that you're going to actually use to start from scratch to learn how to make money online. So it's an amazing opportunity. 17 in one product. Now you have the bonus number 2 from me will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. It's a bonus tutorial that is going to give you the down to earth, over the shoulder hacks on how you can build a business around your niche, and of course make on autopilot 0 to 1,000 per day. Of course, that's what you have as bonus number 2 from me. Bonus number 3 is how to rank any site whatsoever, your website, your sales page, whatever is that you have online, you want to rank on Google, your blogs, you'll be able to do so on page number 1 of Google with this very tutorial. And that's what you have for bonus number 3 of mine. And bonus number 4 will be the mega super bonus, which is called the commission toolbox, which this one has about over 1,000 tools that you can use online to make money. So it's incredibly unbelievable, actually. You know, one of my clients actually who patronized me some time ago got this win, and he wrote me and actually thanked me for giving him the opportunity to have so much tools to work online. And this is what you're going to have here. My bonus number 5 for this one will be how to get targeted traffic to any link or offer of a choice. It could be your Amazon, Kindle channel or platform where you sell this MazeMaker books. You can always direct traffic to that using this very hack that you're going to get from here. Now, when you do that, it will be an amazing thing to experience making money online. Now, here you have this button. When you click it, like I told you, it's scattered all over this bonus page. It will take you to the sales page, actually, where you click any of these links. When you do, like I told you before, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. When you buy this product, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you 2 buttons. The green one gives you access to MazeMaker, and this very blue one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have shown you, which are going to be yours, of course, on a platter of gold. That's what you have, over 1,022 bonuses out there to make your mind up on this one. And with that said, let us actually view the very members area of this one and be able to see what you've got there for you. Here you have the dashboard, which is exactly where we are. This is where you actually create whatever you want, create puzzles, create riddles, and of course you create maze, create word scramble and Cipher here. So this is basically a straightforward training that you're going to get to do this under the software capabilities. You'll be able to do it in under just 60 seconds, as the creator says. Now you have the Premade riddles. This is where you get the Premade riddles. Let it load. Here you can download the docs. You can download the animal riddles, funny riddles, good riddles, and you have the math riddles docs. So you have basically everything. Premade word search puzzles. You can click on this link. It will give you all the downloads you need to actually get started with this one. So it's a very straightforward creation process that you're going to have. And here you have the cover creator, which creates the cover like you see in the Amazon books. This is a cover. You have the ability to create your own cover as well when you have this very product purchased, and of course that will give you the opportunity to create your own cover. And then here you have the tutorials, all the tutorials you have to be able to make this work for you. You have it here, and here you have the bonuses which the vendor is promising, which will be of course obtainable once you become a member by buying this product using the link on my description area. With that said, let us take briefly a look at the very sales page and scroll for you so that you see see if we can locate those bonuses that the vendor is promising you. And at your convenience, when you cut here, you will see all the very testimonials from the people who have used and experienced making money making abilities on Amazon and other platforms where you can sell them, even on eBay and most of the other platforms where you can make this happen. So that's basically what you have. Let us see. This is our samples, and of course what you can get on Amazon, and of course on Fiverr. If you get people to build this for you, this is the amount of money is going to charge you to actually create these things that you can sell on Amazon. Why not create it yourself with this very software and be able to have it for just one-time payment of $17? So that's up to you to make up your mind on that. But if recommending is what you need, I really do recommend this one. Okay, now that's what you have. Let's see if we can pre-locate the very bonuses so that at your convenience you see what you have. If you use my link to buy this product, you will be able to have all those bonuses from the vendor. And of course you have 1,022 from me and from the vendor. You can always begin to make ends meet online for yourself and see if this is going to be for you. This is the bonus number 1 from the vendor, cartoon creator. Bonus number 2 will be doodle creator, and bonus number 3 will be music creator. Bonus number 4 will be unlimited commercial license, and bonus number 5, that's unlimited commercial license. Bonus number 4 is discount, 81% discount on all upgrades, and that's value of 297 naturally. So that's basically what you have on the sales page. let us conclude with my very bonus page. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you at this point to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And definitely, I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, guys. It's goodbye.